Hello everyone, this is Nadezhda Mashena. I just quickly wanted to pop up today and show you the cover of the colored journal that I've been working on, the Oilily journal. So this is the cover that I created for that. I used a couple of layers of acrylic paint and also some crackled paste from Nouveau, which is the new collection. I'll put a link down below as well of that. This beautiful sari silk fabric, some beautiful embroidered pieces here. These were gifts from Carmen. I'll put a link also down below. And this is a faux ticket that we created. I'll just zoom in a little bit. So this is a faux ticket that we created as well as a crafty meetup. And I used a couple of layers of not decoupage, but cutouts. And these are beautiful flowers that I bought a while ago in Antwerp. And yeah, again, you can see the gorgeous sari silk fabric on the back. This is a die cut from the Tim Holtz collection, the mixed media collection. A beautiful piece of paper washi here, and then again some washi here on the top. And as you can see, the beautiful crackle paste from Nouveau. I just love it. A gorgeous doodad on the top, and this is the bottom as well. I'll just turn it around so you can see the spine. Just gorgeous. You can see all the crackling and all the colors coming through as I build up the layers. And this is for the back. Again, the beautiful die from Tim Holtz. And this is again, I'll put a link also from his die down below. And oh, I just love this, how it crackles. And this is using a lot of different layers of also acrylic paints, but as last the Nouveau crackle paint. And this is the bottom as well. And yeah, the inside I already showed you, has lots of yummy goodies. So yeah, that's what I wanted to quickly show you today. And I hope you guys are all doing well and are feeling well, and just enjoying the time with your family, but also getting to start up your own business, or just to get to work again. So take care, all of you, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.